Good morning. My name is Tanzil Ahmed. I'm an engineer based in Uganda. I also joined Mate Rotary Vent Compressor, which was my first experience for rotary vent compressors. During my experience in Matai, I got in touch with Mr. Sharif, who is also a representative of Naili Compressors, and I was interested in this compressor brand so that we have two types of compressors, an Italian brand and also a Chinese brand. But my CEO did not support me, so I kept my specialization in rotary vent compressors. The concept of rotary vent compressors is very better than any screw compressor because due to the lack of bearings. The rotary vent compressor induces less energy and consumes less energy due to the white metal bobbin bushings, which is a very good concept as compared to any screw compressor. Screw compressors usually have 6 bearings, 4 at the back and 2 at the front. If we note the electrical consumption between a screw compressor and a rotary vent compressor, it's definite that the rotary vent compressor will consume less energy as compared to the screw compressors because of the load. So I took the initiative to ask them, the CEO, that we should have a compressor-based company. And we are lucky that we have Naili as a part of our company. And inshallah, we are working hard with Mr. Sharif, and we shall try to increase the numbers and the presence of Naili compressors in Pakistan. Together with the help of Naili compressors, it is a good presence that we already have compressors running in Pakistan. One of the latest technology that I have seen in, like Matai had ERC compressors. It was my first time to see an open, or you can say without a canopy compressor, and I was technically corrected by Mr. Sharif. After seeing this compressor running, I was expecting that yes, without a canopy, it will have problem with the temperatures, but I was corrected by Mr. Sharif. When I saw this compressor running without a canopy and taking optimum temperatures of the oil, which shows a very good sign that yes, this open canopy compressors can run in Pakistan. And we are trying our best to exploit these compressors and educate the customers in Pakistan so that they can have a different position of different kind of compressors. We can give them options with canopy compressors, or we can give them without canopy compressors. So it's a good thing. The only difference that will come in is educating customers about rotary vent compressors, because till now most compressors have the customers in Pakistan have the concept of screw compressors. But this is a very good platform that we are working with, and inshallah, with the help of Naili, we shall educate more customers and try to gain more and more numbers. We wish Naili the best of luck.